we have here comment fix tab 5147. So follow comments, then the ignore unless it's totally wrong. Fix edges or topology. Capture miss if there is a comment. Okay. So before you start, please always check this init comment or initial comment. The comment says nature grass to agriculture. So you need to change. So click, then right here. So this say grass, this one is grass, need to change agriculture, right? So let's check this part. So okay, so let's make it agri. Just merge, then this one is, I think it's not agriculture. There's no sign of cultivated, right? Or you the one that row the tractor. So this is fine, then submit. I only fix this part. I merge, then submit it. Then again, check this init comment, nature grass to agriculture. The same, you need to change grass into agriculture. So only you need is just cut this part, or you need to go through this level, then merge, okay, then submit again. Next, same, make to agriculture. Since this is a tree canopy, this one is a color red, so you need to control 1 to hide that canopy. Then the comment is in the corner, then it's obvious forest, then ignore it. This area is agri, so meaning to say the comment is like that, the comment, so you can ignore this part, then submit. This only the agriculture, then submit it. So next, what is this? So delete. So the comment is delete pavement. Since there is no pavement, then ignore. Okay, as you can see, there is no pavement. Again, ignore it, ignore the comment, and submit. No unnecessary editing. You don't need edit this area, guys. Get? Understand? Then submit. Okay, next ID. So shrub to water. So there is a shrub, then we need to change it into a water, or like this. Then next, grass to water, so merge like that, then submit. Opposite to another map, then delete pavement. So delete pavement, so we need to change this into grass. Since the neighbor is grass, okay, you need to match. If you change it into another category that not match in the neighbor, it will cause a boundary error. Okay, let's change into grass. Also this one, grass. Then another comment, pavement to grass, and that's okay. We fix it now. And when we control T, as you can see, there is no error because we fix or we change into same category at your neighbor. Okay, that's the way how to fix. Then submit. Next, shrub to agriculture. So control 1 to hide the canopy. And this one, you can also ignore this. This is the initial comment. They meant this area. Okay, this one, this area, agriculture. They want to change this agriculture. Then since this is no agriculture in our part, it's a forest, then ignore. Okay, don't edit or do anything in your map. This one, water to agriculture. So merge. Yeah, merge. This one also water to agriculture. This is already fixed, then submit. Okay, ignore the other, even though you can see road, then water, ignore that. since there's no comment. Okay? Get? As you can see, no initial comment. When you see like this, no reported, it's reported, then to see the initial comment, just click this one, comment files, this first files, this one, this color red, double click, and the comment will automatically appear in the initial comment. Okay? Nature, grass to agriculture, again, grass to agriculture. Okay, then you can simply cut this part. Yeah. Then right click, find the agriculture category. Right? Don't do this, don't fix like that. Okay, it will cause topology. Always do like that. Then submit. And next, so birdland to water. So simply merge. Oh, okay, right click, then change to water. I think it's water, but low tide. I think it's low tide. Birdland to water, same. Then submit. Next map. Grass to shrub. Okay. I think this is not a shrub, but they make it agriculture also. I didn't see any shrub, so yeah, I can ignore that. Just ignore, then submit. Okay, this one also, it's a topology. How come they make it? Okay, let's do this like that. Let's check this part. This one is okay, like that. Then merge. So our neighbor is matched, and okay, it's already matched because our neighbor put a little pavement. Then that's good enough. Then submit again. Tree canopy, nature tree canopy. So the initial comment say delete tree canopy. So you need to go to control 2 to see the tree canopy. This one, it's a tree canopy, but I think it's a shrub or forest. I cannot tell. Then the neighbor also a tree canopy. Then let's ignore that. So no, let's ignore to avoid reporting neighbor. Okay? Because I don't think so. This is a tree canopy or shrub. I can tell, so I'll ignore. Then what? Change everything to water. So go back to control 1, and the initial comment is change everything to water. Then this is only, I see a water, and this is not a water also. Then I can ignore the comment since the water is good enough, is a reasonable this area. Also this one, then I can ignore that. Then submit. Okay. Sometimes you need to use your common sense. Okay, in the real life also, you can tell what is shrub, forest, grass, agriculture, right? So the initial, go back to our task. Initial comment say nature to water or water. So control 1. So this is water. This is a stream or river, I think. The water, and that's okay. It's good enough. The system label it correctly. Then submit. No need to fix that. Delete tree canopy, control 2. So we can see the tree canopy category. Because in this image, we don't have tree canopy, right? Our nature is forest, grass, birdland, water, shrub. What else? Damage building, agriculture. That's only our nature. So we don't have a tree canopy in this image. So we go to control 2. Control 2, guys. Don't forget to change image control. Okay, then delete delete tree canopy. And then we don't have or we don't see any tree canopy in this image, so you can ignore that. Go back to control 1. Then this the comment say water. As you can see, this is the water system. Water, 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 and also water. And the system is correctly label water in the area. That's good enough to pass. We don't have anything to do, right? So that's easy, very easy task. Okay, let's go to last three tasks. So system or initial comment say again change to agriculture. Then as you can see, it's already agriculture, right? This one only is the water, so we can merge this. Other ignore is water. Then submit. Last stomach. Oh. So water to agriculture. So merge. Oh, that's very easy. Oh, so this one, let's change it into agri first. Agri. So maybe that if we not fix, that's where it cause a error. Then submit. As you can see, there's a boundary. Which one? So grass. Let's make grass. That's the other one. So also land. True one. What is this? So neighbor. So road. So just put a little road in your area to fix the boundary. Don't report. You can add some road that area. Then submit. Last map. So no comment. It's reported. Then double check this one. This files in this under comment files. So we have 2 comment. So birdland to water. So birdland to water. Oh. So birdland to water. So your below your map is water. Then the left side mix of water and birdland shrub. So the comment says water. So let's cut this area. And this also this part. Like that. Then merge to water. Okay. Too much also this one. Okay. That's it. Then shrub to water. So this one we need to make it shrub. Water. So also we need to report this area. Okay. It's very okay. This is time we need to report this water issue and submit. Then I will merge this to water. So this one. Oh, wait. water. Okay, that's it. Then I'll submit that. Just a little bit. Okay, all done. Any question, guys?